Hey guys, this is how to change out the grill on these 17 Alumiduties. So first pop the hood, then get all these rivets, things like that, that, and that. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 11 of these. And then there's some on the underside once you take off this top part right here. How you get these off is take a little screwdriver tool or pop that and then take that out. Just hold on to these. Now once you've gotten those rivets out, go ahead and pull this top section off. And lay it on top of the engine. Alright, now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these 3/8 bolts to take out. Now after you get all those 4 or 8 bolts out, there's 4 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4 behind. So what I do is take a hold of these, pull them out. I've already broken the clips out of them, not broken them, but busted out. So all you got to do is go ahead and just pull them out. There she is. All right, now to replace it, just put her on there, give her a little push until you hear the clips go in. Same on this side. Now you put in 8 bolts. Now that all the 8 bolts are back on, go ahead and take the cover and stick it back on. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Alright, and then replace all the rivets. Now these rivets, I know this ain't rocket science for some of y'all, but stick it in. And then the last step is just here. Just one last tip. Make sure this part of the cover goes underneath. And then once you get all those in, there you have it.